It's certainly an honor and a privilege to be presenting at the Embedded Vision Summit. This is going to be a follow-up to our presentation from yesterday in the fundamental track, and today we are going to focus on how MIPI CSI-2 sensors are evolving and the various features and capabilities you can deploy today that's available on the shelves today on your computer vision systems and platforms. So we are going to provide a brief, again, a very high-level introduction to the universal deployment of CSI-2 on the camera sensors. This is again spanning product platforms from your mobile phones to your automotive ADAS to surveillance and IoT. And we'll transition to 4 key features we developed on top of this incredible low-energy pixel transport, pixel capture solution, starting with unified serial link, always-on Sentinel Conduit for low-power, always-on awareness, inferencing solutions, smart region of interest, right, with object identification and recognition. And last but not least, if your system is capturing anything more than 4K or processing anything more than 4K, this is the latest and greatest compression solution that was developed in conjunction with various key players in the industries, including Samsung, Google, Qualcomm. It's called multi-pixel compression. It builds on top of what we had previously developed for machine vision applications called differential pulse code modulation. So we will touch on that too. And we'll conclude with some of the forward-looking explorations.